Hi, in this video, you will learn how to recover deleted files from a USB drive. Start by opening the given link in the description, and follow my steps to download the tool. Open this link in a new tab. Wait for it to load. Then click on Download. After the download is finished, install it, like any other software. Now that we have the software ready, let's insert the USB drive. As you can see, it's empty, there are no files in it. As an example, let me create a folder, and paste a picture in it. This is the picture inside the folder, that I am going to copy to the USB drive with the containing folder. Just to make sure everything is fine, I open the folder and the picture again, after copying. Now that everything seems fine, I am deleting them, permanently. As you can see, the folder is deleted from the USB drive, and it's empty. Now let's open up the software we installed. Go to File, click on Add Evidence Item. Select Logical Drive. Then select your USB drive. And click on Finish. Now in here, you can see all the deleted files. Here is our test folder which we just deleted. Let's open it. We can see the picture which was inside the folder. To recover it, right-click, and click on Export Files. Then specify a location for the file. I choose Desktop. As you can see, the picture is back on my desktop, instantly. Let's try recovering the whole folder. As you can see, the folder is back as well. The folder and the picture can be opened without any problems. If we go check the USB again, we can see there's no data in there. but we can access and recover everything from the software. I have tried unplugging and replugging the USB, but still, you can recover the files without any problems. Hope this video helped. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links in the description, you will find useful links.